I am 7 months from rotator cuff surgery on my left arm right there.
Oh, really?
Full rotator.
Oh, wow.
And now it's just in and out.
So you would say you have a pretty bad shoulder then?
Oh yeah, definitely.
And
And it's light as a feather. I mean,
wow.
It doesn't take hardly any pressure at all.
Well, hello and good morning. I am in Fountain Hills, Arizona right now, and we are going to obviously, put doors on it. Not really going to record the whole teardown part because you know what it is that I'm doing. So I just don't think you guys are really interested in seeing even a sped up version of this thing being torn apart. If you are, put in the comments and then I'll bring it back. I'll start doing that. It just takes a lot to film that. And you know, I just don't feel like you guys are really genuinely interested in it anyways. So I'm just gonna show you the car, the before, do my job, and then we'll get with the customer. We'll talk to the customer, ask him some questions on what he feels and how he thinks. And yeah, we'll keep them short and simple. Unless there's something that you guys wanna see, put it in the comments and then we'll start incorporating all that kind of stuff. I'm going to show you, because we're asked this quite a bit, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually remove the door panel from your C8, not only safely, but efficiently and quickly. The important thing here is to not overcomplicate this. This is really a very easy process when done the right way. Now for this, you're gonna need a T30, you're gonna need a 7mm socket, you want a wedge like this, and then a pin puller like this. So step one, let's remove the two bottom T30s that are underneath this door. Let's remove those. Go slow. Once you've removed them, then grab them and pull them out and set them to the side. Once you've removed the T30s, then you want to take your wedge and you want to come inside here in the door handle area. And what you want to do is just kind of put it on this back area here and just kind of hit it in, and you'll pop that up, grab this, and set that to the side, and you're gonna see two 7mm screws right there. Take your 7mm and pop them out. Now for this part, you'll see where the bottom half of the door meets the other half. You'll see this kind of line here. You take this, put this right behind here, above that, and push that in there until you hear that pop. Now this is very, very important. These are plastic clips that we're removing. The importance of speed is very, very important. So when you get this in here, you want to yank hard with your fingers and pop those clips. The faster you go, the safer it is for these clips. You go slow, then you risk damaging and breaking the clips. Get your hand down here towards the front and pull quick and fast. What I always like to tell our installers is it's like chiropractic moves. You want to go quick, but powerful, but quick. Then once it's all loose, pop this back up, and the door panel literally lays out. Take your pin puller, and you're gonna see this plugs over here. You're gonna take this and just pop off the plastic clips that are holding that on. Slide the red lock, push this button down, and you should hear a click. You get closer to it so you can hear this click. That click right there, then you pull, and your door panel is free to move. And that is it. That is how you remove a door panel on the C8. Obviously putting it back together is just the reverse. Reverse those steps, and you're good. Till next time. I am with JR and we are finished. What do you think, JR?
It looks fantastic. The doors are spectacular. I love the look and feel of them. There's no play. It's just easy to operate up and down. They were great. You did a fantastic job on the install.
Thank you. It was actually, relatively smooth for sure. And I'm not saying that they're not ever smooth, but
sure,
you know, each one is temperamental sometimes. So they all have little slight differences here and there with how well they want to fight you or how much they want to fight you. So this one didn't want to fight much at all. So it came out pretty smooth and pretty nice. So I was impressed with that. I am glad that you went with the Eikon edition, which is also the Accelerant Yellow Edition, because you have the calipers. And it really looks nice. And the accent of everything. Was it what you were expecting? You know, when you walked out and everything was all said and done, was it kind of like the doors up as high as they are? I know you came by the shop, so you already were familiar, and obviously you've seen pictures, but I don't know, I feel pictures don't really do this much justice.
Correct. I've gotten in and out of it a couple times, and it's so much easier. The biggest problem that I would have is when I go to a grocery store or anywhere, you get out, you got to swing your door open 20 feet, it seems like, with these things. And somebody always parks next to it. They either want to look at the car because it's beautiful, or they just do.
Yeah, they just
and
do.
One time, only one time, I had to climb over the console to get into my car.
Really?
Yeah. And I said, that'll never happen again. I got to find a different option. This option is fantastic.
Definitely something that comes in handy. I know a lot of people are always talking about, it's not a Lambo. If you want a Lambo, buy a Lambo. Well, first off, obviously, as I'm sure you know, the price tag of a Lamborghini that has doors that go up starts at around, if you find them used, and running conditions start about 600 grand and go up from there.
Oh yeah.
So it's like, it's easy to say if you want it, you know, okay, give me the 400-something thousand extra dollars and I'll go, or 500,000 extra dollars and I'll go get one. But it's more of the use case scenario. It actually helps getting in and out.
It does.
You swing your legs in, and when somebody does park close to you, it makes it easier to open and close the door, where you're not having to ding it. And especially with this car, with the doors being so thick, you have to always open it all the way just to get in and out. So, but speaking of that, will you show everybody how you get in and out? I'm gonna meet him over there, and he's gonna show us how he uses the doors.
Yeah, it doesn't feel any different right to here. Your stopping point is right there, which was plenty of room for me to get in, but just a lift, one-handed, on up, and it stops up there. Then the in is, I always have to go in backwards because I'm a bigger guy.
Yeah, right.
Just kind of like you, but in, swing and you're in.
Yeah, and you just were able to swing your feet straight through there.
Yeah.
And have no issues whatsoever.
I don't kick my door to hold it open now, which I used to have to do, and it's right here. Then to go down, it's just grab and pull.
It's pretty easy to pull.
Yep, very. No working. And then boom, you're in.
Now that was your second or third time ever doing the door?
Third.
As you've seen in other videos, obviously I don't put the customers on the spot like the first time is here, because you'll not ding it, but you'll hit the security points in it to where it stops you from causing any issues, but it's embarrassing and it looks like crap. So don't want to put that on camera, obviously. So I let the customers always go up and down a couple of times, explain them, here, 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 so on and so forth. And that was only his third time. You did really good for your third time.
I'm very careful with it. Like you said, it's been babied. I've never smoked the tires on it. I know most people do. I've never done it. I just love driving it. It's a 2022 and it has 8,000 miles on it.
Jeez.
So it doesn't get driven all the time, but when I drive it, I like to.
Absolutely,
to look good
and rightfully
so.
Rightfully so. It looks great. I love. This is my favorite color. The Rapid Blue is always my favorite color of this thing. The orange, the Sebring orange, when that first came out, that was one of the ones that I was really optimistic about seeing. But it was like they photoshopped that and hit the vibrance button and just jammed it all the way up, and it looks so bright and. Like in the pictures of it when they first released it back in like 20, and seeing that car up close personal, it's like it's so dull. So how do you open it?
Very simple again. Out to a spot right there, which is very simple. There's a hand under here, and basically I am 7 months from rotator cuff surgery on my left arm right there.
Oh really?
Full rotator.
Oh wow.
And now it's just in and out.
So you would say you have a pretty bad shoulder then?
Oh yeah, definitely.
And
and it's light as a feather. I mean, it doesn't take hardly any pressure at all. And then just to pull it down, grab wherever you're comfy.
And wherever it doesn't leave marks.
yeah, I try and do the black, but then it's just smooth. You did a great job on the install.
Well, I appreciate that. I try to always do as best I possibly can, for sure. And again, I do this for you, the smiles, kind of say it all. And then the compliments of how easy it is. I mean, obviously I designed it for that reason and for that purpose, is because I come from the background of obviously vertical doors, which are not known for their ease of going up and their ease of going down. So I already knew what I didn't want, you know, our kit to do or to be like. So I'm glad, you know, hearing what you're saying, it makes me feel like, you know, we did a good job with that. So I appreciate that. It was truly my honor and a pleasure.
Hey, thank you so much.
No,
man.
thank you.
really
I appreciate it. I appreciate
Same here.
that.
Yeah, it was in my garage. I mean, just boom.
Yeah.
It's done.
So it's convenient.
It was very convenient, yeah. In my garage, and took him about 4.5 hours.
Yeah, roughly. I didn't even look what time it was. Not even. Well, I'm glad he's happy. I hope you guys are happy and enjoyed this video. Until next time, please like, subscribe, and share. If you want us to come out and do your doors, let us know. Go to our website, eikonmotorsports.com, or give us a call, 1-800-339-6544. Take care.